For many people, shopping now starts with an online search. Whatever you're looking for, it's highly likely that you start by putting a description of that product into one of the search engines. Making sure your business can be found on the internet is critical. You want to get on one of the first few pages of Google, Yahoo, or Bing. This process is called Search Engine Optimisation, or SEO. First, a word of warning. There are many highly respected and capable SEO experts available. However, there are also a number of less reputable companies wanting to make some quick money at your expense. Be careful. Knowledge of the basics of SEO is important. It can help you put the right foundations in place for your website and help you speak with more authority to those offering SEO services. So, what is SEO? Each search engine, whether that's Google, Yahoo, Bing, or any of the others, has a secret recipe. This secret recipe is known as an algorithm, and it turns all the information on the internet into usable search results. If you have a website, search results are important to you. When your web pages have higher rankings, that is, they're found at the top of the search results, more people are likely to find you. The key to higher rankings is to make sure your website has the ingredients that the search engines need for their recipes. The good news is that most of the main ingredients in the secret recipes or algorithms are known. The bad news is that every search engine has a different algorithm, and these algorithms are changing all the time. The search engine owners stay one step ahead. This section looks at the basics of SEO. You'll get an all-round understanding, but if you want more detailed SEO advice, speak to a professional. Underpinning all SEO are keywords. Words matter, and on the internet, keywords matter. Search engines catalogue every word on the internet. When you do a search, the search engines narrow the results and just give you pages that are about those words. Keywords are the words or short phrases that you type into the search box on a search engine when you're looking for something on the internet. What are the keywords for your business? You want to select keywords that can get a good ranking on the search engines and that enough people search for. You want a list of 3 to 5 words or short phrases relevant to your business and what your website is about. Think like someone searching for your product on Google or another search engine. What are the words or phrases they would use to search? Remember, your keywords are not your business name or brand name. And it's likely that every business like yours is considering the same keywords as you. For example, if you're a florist and type florist into a search engine, you get around 88 million results. Florist in Cardiff brings the number of results down to 1 million, whilst wedding flowers in Cardiff narrows it to around 400,000 results. You need to be as specific as possible. Make sure you think in the same way as your customer. For example, instead of using cheap or cheapest, your customer may associate cheap with poor quality or poor value. Affordable or good value may be better. Choose keywords with care. Check too what keywords your competitors are using. You may not want to use exactly the same as them. There are several tools available to help you. The Google Keyword Planner and Word Tracker are two. They are both free or have a free trial version, but you do need to sign up for an account. The rest of this section explains how and where to use your keywords. They're an important part of your success online. Make sure you take time to select the right keywords for your business.